KIRO7 News at Noon starts now.
And now at noon, don't get high and drive. That is the warning coming from the Washington State Patrol and police around Washington State. They say they'll be out on the roads watching for drivers who are impaired and will have new tools at their disposal. KIRO7's Ranji Sinha is live in Seattle for us. And Ranji, you spoke to the State Patrol this morning about the patrols and why they say 420 landing on a Saturday is important.
Yeah, Michelle, the State Patrol said when 420 landed on a Saturday last time nationwide on the roads, they saw collisions spike to levels that authorities say they normally see after the Super Bowl.
My friend lives here. I get together with him and some of his friends, and we all like to smoke, and it brings everybody together, honestly. Like, we don't have any bad vibes or anything.
Javante says a visit to Western Washington may include a chance to mark the counterculture cannabis holiday, 420. And if it does, it will not include driving.
I related to alcohol, so like we usually stay in the house or something whenever we smoke. I don't go out, we don't drive.
The Washington State Patrol knows many people will smoke pot on 420, so they will have extra patrols to keep things safe.
If they're going to use cannabis or drinking too, it's a big weekend. Have a plan.
We got a look this morning at their vehicle dedicated to investigating driving under the influence. It's been in service for over 10 years, but things have changed. They can still do breathalyzer tests for alcohol, but drug experts will be on board to evaluate people suspected of DUI. There will also be tools and people to make warranted legal blood draws if needed.
When troopers make an arrest, they bring the subject to our mobile impaired driving unit. We can process them for alcohol on our breath test instruments there. They can turn them over to us. They can go back out and search for more.
Even though marijuana is legal, driving while high is not, whether somebody thinks that they are impaired or not.
Mischelle Davis works with Mothers Against Drunk Driving, and her law firm crunched the State Patrol numbers on marijuana-related crashes. She says 4 years of data show that driving while high has become an issue, and 420 Saturday is the time to warn people not to drive.
I think as more and more states make marijuana legal and more states begin dealing with the aftermath of that and the increase in crashes, fatalities, that you're going to see more states getting behind awareness campaigns.
And the State Patrol did say that personnel from its mobile unit would be working here in King County tomorrow to deal with impaired drivers on 420. We're live in Seattle. Ranji Sinha, KIRO7 News.
Here is a look at some of the new numbers for marijuana-related crashes from 2015 to 2018. Between 4 and 5 is the most common time of day for pot-involved crashes. Saturday is the day with the most collisions. Vancouver leads the state in these type of crashes. And finally, in the 4-year study, there were 37 deadly crashes that involved a stoned driver.